What if I told you that your mind has the power to heal your pain, your sadness, even your body? This book, You Can Heal Your Life, is not just a guide. It's a gentle mirror showing you how to love yourself again. If you've ever felt broken, unworthy, or stuck in the past, this message is for you. Chapter 1, The Core Message. Louise Hay teaches us something powerful. Our thoughts create our reality. Every emotion, every belief, even every illness, starts from the inside. She says, the body, like everything else in life, is a mirror of our inner thoughts and beliefs. That means your pain is not just physical. It could be emotional wounds trying to speak. Chapter 2, How Negative Thoughts Affect Us. Imagine telling yourself every day, I'm not good enough, I'm not lovable, I'll never succeed. These words are like poison to your soul. Over time, they shape your health, your relationships, and your self-worth. Louise shares stories of people who healed chronic diseases, not with pills, but with kindness toward themselves. Healing begins when you stop blaming yourself and start forgiving. Chapter 3, Affirmations, Your Healing Tools. One of the most powerful tools in this book is affirmations. Words like, I am safe, I am loved, I forgive and set myself free. Louise used these affirmations to heal her own cancer. She taught people to speak to themselves with love, even when it felt unnatural. And with time, their lives transformed. Chapter 4, Forgiveness, Self-Love. Forgiveness isn't for others. It's for you. When you let go of resentment, anger, and guilt, your body finally feels peace. You Can Heal Your Life reminds us that we deserve love. Not because we are perfect, but because we are human. Chapter 5, How to Start Your Healing Today. Want to heal? Start with these steps. Look in the mirror. Say, I love you. Forgive yourself for past mistakes. Speak kind words even when life feels heavy. Healing isn't a moment. It's a journey, and you're already on your way. If this message touched your heart, maybe it's time you start believing in your power, because you can heal your life, and it starts with you. Comment, I believe in healing, if you're ready to begin. Subscribe for more powerful books that change lives.